Hello, job seekers, and we are so excited for this particular session today, which is a session on a LifeWorks program. But really, what it is it's a program to help you identify not only your soft skills, but really give you a way in life to really start thinking about how you can get your career really rocking and rolling and so forth. So today we have Jessie Correa with us. She's the student experience coordinator with an awesome organization called Jobs Partnership. And how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful and I'm very excited to join you. So thank you so much for allowing us this opportunity. So it's
So
good.
yeah, so what she's going to do is she's going to go through their program, and it'll give you an opportunity to decide when they have your next sign up, and when are you looking for your next class.
Our spring classes will start February the 23rd. However, we'll start taking applications starting next week.
Yeah, and she'll go through that whole process with you,
Yeah.
knowing that not only is this a powerful program, but there's no cost to you either if
Right.
you fit into what they're trying to accomplish for you, and what you need to accomplish yourself. This is just an awesome thing. And so why don't you share your screen, Jesse, and get rocking and rolling, and I'll get out of here.
Yes, thank you, Roger. So I'm really excited to share with you guys about Jobs Partnership LifeWorks training program. We are a 12-week training program that it's only either Tuesdays or Thursday, one night a week for 3 hours from 6 to 9. Let me share with you guys where our mission is preparing people for life and work with biblical principles. All that really means is that our curriculum does come from the Bible. However, it is just to remind you that you're created for greatness, that there's a purpose, that you have value. However, we don't ask you to subscribe. Our vision is all people finding purpose in a job that matches their strengths. We all have strengths. We all have much to offer, transferable skills. So our program really focuses on that for you to truly see that purpose and that greatness that is within you. Our core values are hope through relationships. That is something that we really emphasize on. It is important. It's not about who you know, but who knows you. And then opportunity through partnership. So our organization has built a phenomenal relationship here in Central Florida, and they love our graduates and our students. Purpose through work. And that's where part of our foundation when it comes to our curriculum is that work is something you have to do with a heart of service. You find more joy with it. And through our 12-week training program, you have an ability to really see that through the coaching that we offer to you guys. And then empowerment through training. That is actually the greatest part of it all. During the 12-week training, one night a week, from 6 to 9, you have the opportunity to have a coach that is assigned to you or 2 to 3 more students. Why is it that we are part of this diversity fair? Because at this moment in this age, there's a lot of things that are changing, and you have an opportunity to really see that you not only have transferable skills, but that the workplace has changed. So you have to realize that there's so many opportunities out there, things that you can do, things you've taken for granted, different gifts, different knowledge, different trades that you have. And we'll kind of talk about it a little bit more as I go through the presentation. Our LifeWork class site, we currently are at Pine Hills, the Kingdom Church in Mercy Drive, and we offer virtual classes. This has been an amazing thing for a lot of our students this semester. The class is either Tuesdays or Thursdays, and this gives you the ability to be able to work from home as far as take advantage of the training. One thing about the training is that we really allow you to have an opportunity to do a personal assessment to see about, are you an introvert, are you an extrovert? Then we guide you through a journey where you're able to see a professional or working pathway that you can have through this. However, some of these sites that I shared are changing. We're gonna have more. Classes are not till February. So I want you guys to really not just focus on the sites, but really understand that we may have more options available to you. But if virtual is what works, absolutely, that can be definitely a choice that you can have. And the benefits. This is what I love about our program. Our program, first of all, access to network of employer partners. We have relationships with Advent Health, Orlando Health, Lockheed Martin. They love our graduates. They know they're men and women of value. They know that men and women that are committed, that actually signed up to a 12-week training program, which is at no cost to you. We have sponsors that actually pay for our students, and it's about $2,000. So it's something that you really can take advantage of. And our partners really come out to an event that we offer, which is a virtual, this year it has been a virtual community partner resource fair, and they love our students. Access to community partners, that's where I come in as the student experience coordinator. I also make relationships with our community partners like United Against Poverty, Grace Medical, Legal Aid. There's so many partners out there that I call them our hidden jewels, and they're available to support our community. And the role that they play is to remove barriers, to really allow you to flow into that you've been created for, so you can go ahead and continue growing in the employment that you're interested in, the job that you want, and access to a private online job bank. How exciting is that? That, for example, Orlando Jobs, we love them. They're a phenomenal resource that we have. You get to have a relationship with them. You get to connect with also CareerSource. I'll share a little bit about them, that they're a phenomenal community partner that we have that really supports our students as far as being able to give them the ability to receive scholarships, to be able to get technical training. Access to Alumni Support Network. This is awesome. Why? Because since we've created such a wonderful relationship here in Central Florida, we have employers that reach out to us when they're seeking for someone to hire. They'll send us information, and how beautiful is that for you to open an email and realize that someone is hiring, and because you have built a relationship and are a graduate of Jobs Partnership, that opportunity is presented to you. Career assessment and planning. You are able to really sit down from the different type of really fun personal assessments that you do at no cost to you through the 12-week training, and have an opportunity to really see the different gifts and talents that I continue talking about. Interests that you didn't realize you had based upon your personality. Then we have the professional resume. That's where our coaches come in. And we have a great program manager who comes with a lot of experience. You guys, our volunteers who are your coaches, these are men and women that if we sum up all of the experience that they have, it's about 300 years of experience, of professional experience. And these are individuals who are part of human resource, who actually sit in different positions in different organizations, who volunteer. So they help and pour into you to really make that resume powerful and for it to really represent the skills that you have. Interview training, that's fun. We do mock training. This year we've done virtual as well. And as we know, through all of what's been going on in our world, virtual interviews have really played a key role. So we really help you with that, so you can feel strong and confident and just know how to present yourself during that one time that you may have for a virtual interview. And then we have a free interview outfit. We have a relationship with organizations that actually do help our students. However, during this season, because of COVID, some things have been a little bit fluid. So at the moment, it's not something that the organization is offering. However, we do have short-term specialized training for qualified participants. That is the beautiful thing that we offer here in Jobs Partnership. That is through different relationships that we have with Valencia College, that they have electronic board assembly, they have distribution operation technician, we have a medical assistant, we have relationship with Advent Health. So students are able to take these short certificate trainings that can be from 7 weeks with medical coding all the way up to 22 weeks. You graduate through a program, CareerSource is able to offer you a scholarship. You go through the Valencia program, you graduate, and you have not only Jobs Partnership and Valencia College to support you, along with Orange Technical. They're another one of our partners that we connect with to be able to position yourself right now through this whole change that we're going through during our marketplace. And I'll share a video. This is the way up from Jobs Partnership, just to give you a small idea of who and what we're about.
Life is complicated, sometimes unbelievably so. But life is also rich with opportunities, with possibilities, not just for a few people, but for anyone. Even if you feel like you're coming from nowhere and you're starting with nothing, the Jobs Partnership of Florida believes that success isn't only a goal, it's a mindset. It's the belief that anyone given the tools to succeed can actually achieve success. And that's what we do. Help men and women become something they never thought they could. Not because they didn't have the strength, but because they lacked direction, the belief in themselves, and in something greater. The Jobs Partnership of Florida, not just a way to something different. We are the way to something more, the way forward, the way up.
So you might wonder, why Jobs Partnership? I will share with you that our organization and our program is not just for anyone. It's a program that is suited for individuals who really need to be supported. You're not alone. One thing I love about Jobs Partnership is that we have students who just have high school, bachelor's, master's, doctoral. It's not even about your education. It's really about having someone to really journey alongside with you, especially during this season. During this pandemic, our world's been shaken. A lot of us identify ourselves to our employment, to our job. And when we lose it, or because you were laid off, or whatever the situation is, it can really just shake you. And it can make you feel like you don't have an identity, because we identify ourselves to that. And here at Jobs Partnership, we allow you to see yourself in a light that you do have much value, and a light that you do have great things to offer, that you are an asset. Right here, I'm sharing about the accelerated skills training. I talked about that just a little bit. Really, it's about who is willing for change during this season. There are a lot of programs out there to really allow you to just have an opportunity to recreate yourself. And through our program, we really connect you through these different skills training. Like Valencia College, I shared about the programs that they offer. Orange Technical, New Horizons with the IT program that they offer. Our 12-week training program, like I shared, is at no cost to you. Really, it's about you committing to yourself. 12 weeks, 1 night a week for 3 hours. It's all about you. How beautiful is it for someone to say there are 3 hours, you get to have a coach for 12 weeks, and you fully are investing in yourself. You're able to assess, where do you want to go next? You're able to assess, what do I have to offer? What has been the desire that I've had? To be able to have someone that you can talk to, someone that can really just journey with you to see that purpose that you have, to connect you. We've been around for 20 years here at Jobs Partnership. So we've created some great relationships. It's about networking. Through our program, you get to realize that you are to have a heart of service, that life happens. It really does. However, you can go ahead and recreate your life through our program. So through a 12-week training program, we definitely always have to have a celebration when you guys graduate from our program. And here's a picture of one of our families. And the wonderful thing is you get to have friends, loves, and relatives come out. This season, we're able to have 2 virtual graduations and 2 in person. So I want you guys to know that our classes start February the 23rd. You might think it's too long. It's actually not. We have holidays coming in, and you really want to be able to set yourself up with the new year starting, to connect and to be able to really just have someone to support you. Like I shared, the program is at absolutely no cost to you. We will be able to share our website so you guys can apply. I would be the person that once you apply, I would be reaching out to you so we can go over the application to make sure that this program is suited for you, because it may not be suited for everyone, and that's okay. We understand that. And walk you through the process of watching an orientation video that'll give you a little bit more information compared to what I've shared, for you to really see if you're totally suited for it. And then afterwards, welcoming you and having you in our class. And here we are, like I shared, it's 20 years of preparing people for life and work. So we would love to have you in our program. And Roger, thank you so much. We appreciate our partnership with you so much. And guys, I'm looking forward to receiving your application and phone calls.
Well, that is phenomenal information, and we really do appreciate you sharing that. And job seekers, below this video, you're going to see a lot of contact information, some additional resources, and so forth, so you can not only connect with Jobs Partnership, but if you like what you saw, just remember there is no cost to you, and it is, for so many over the last 20 years, just a great gateway to better careers and a better life. And we thank you so much, Jesse, for being with us today. And if you have any final words of wisdom, please share them.
Oh, absolutely. Guys, life happens, but there's a light at the end of the tunnel. And there's so much worth and so much value that I've shared through the presentation that you have. And there's hope, and you have a purpose. So we ask you to just trust us and join our program, and we would walk alongside with you. We are here for you, and we are here with you as well.
That is awesome. Thank you again, and that will end this session, and look forward to the rest of the Diversity Job Fair. Thank you very much.